What's up guys, it's Indorexo here, and today in Prehistoric Nature, we're getting the equipment for the revival of the dinosaurs. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Alright chat, this is our house that I made. Pretty cool, huh? Yes. I have some baked potatoes coming on, and we do need a lot more iron, so we gotta get that iron. We're going to need a lot more than this.
Montage.
Try to get all this iron. This is a big vein. So how it works is this. See this sulfuric acid?
Go potato.
Alright, and then we just put the Triassic fossils in here, and then they just lower down.
Aren't those gonna burn too?
They're gonna reveal what's inside the fossil, so we can get the DNA extract.
Lag. I'm bored.
Bruh.